Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your school administrator from a Chromebook. First, it's important to understand that directly removing an administrator account without a full device reset is typically not an option. A factory reset is usually required, which will erase all local data and settings. Before you begin, please make sure to back up any important files you wish to keep. This process will put your Chromebook into recovery mode, preparing it for a fresh start. To begin, you'll need to put your Chromebook into recovery mode. First, ensure your device is completely powered off. Next, simultaneously hold down the S key and the refresh key, which is usually located above the number 3. While holding those two keys, press the power button. Once your Chromebook turns on, you can release the power button, but continue holding ESC and refresh until the recovery screen appears. This screen signals you're ready for the next step. Once you're on the recovery screen, the next step is to perform the factory reset. Press the Control key and the D key together. This action will prompt you to confirm disabling operating system verification. Confirm your choice to proceed. Your Chromebook will then display a message asking you to press the spacebar to initiate the factory reset. Pressing the spacebar will wipe all data and revert your device to its original, out-of-the-box state, effectively removing the administrator. After the factory reset is complete, your Chromebook will restart and guide you through the initial setup process. You'll be prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network and accept the terms of service. Then, you can sign in with your personal Google account to create your new user profile. Once these steps are finished, your Chromebook will be completely free from the previous school administrator's control, allowing you to use it as a personal device. Enjoy your newly reset Chromebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.